And in health news, officials reporting another jump in the number of pertussis cases in the Missoula area. The Missoula City County Health Department says they have now logged 47 confirmed cases of whooping cough. That's up from 39 reported earlier on Friday. Whooping cough cases have been confirmed in several Missoula County public schools, including Big Sky, Hellgate, and Centennial High Schools. A new whooping cough case was reported by Frenchtown School District officials on Thursday. Previous cases have also been reported in the Lolo and Florence school districts. Parents should check with their child's school for more information about testing and protocols if your child has been tested or in close contact. And last report, there have been no reports of whooping cough in Cascade County.